The next thing we're going to take out is the transmission crossmember. The way you can tell the back end of it is that's where the emergency brake cable pulley is located, so that goes towards the rear. Looking at the way it's attached, we've got a 1/2 inch head on a bolt that goes through to the other side, and it's held on with a 9/16 nut on the other side. It's kind of rusty, so I don't know how far I'm going to go with the impact wrench. Came off easy. There's a washer on the other side. Bolt comes out, and you have 2 more 1/2 inch bolts, 1/2 inch head anyways, that hold it up. So those are kind of a self-tapping type screw. I'm just going to take one out, and maybe I'll loosen the other, but not take it all the way out, so that I can work on the other side. When I get the other side off, then I'll take that rest of that out. I'm ready to go with the other side. Half-inch impact socket, 9/16 to hold the nut on the other side. Two bolts to take it down on this side. Okay, there we go. Okay, that side's off. One more bolt over on this side, and that whole transmission cross member is about to come off. I'm going to put that back up just for a second because there was some question in my mind whether or not I could put on the fuel lines and the vapor return lines and the brake lines first and get them under this mount for this. And the answer to that appears to be yes. So when I put it back on, I'm going to go with fuel lines, vapor lines, and brake lines going on before that transmission mount. And that way I can route them under that without any problem.